Hello my friends and welcome again to the Complete Java Developer course. In this video we are going to create an IP finder application or program in Java. So we are going to display for the user a dialog that allows the user to enter the website, and we are going to find its IP. Okay, so for that, I will create a J label called label, import the class or import the package of JSwing and all. J label equal to new J label, and I will name it as, and put the text inside it, enter URL. Okay. Now, label dot set bounds to 50, 50 or 50, 70, 150 and 20 is good. Okay. Now, J text field allow the user to enter the data inside it. So text field equal to new J text field. Okay. Text field dot set bounds to 50, 150 or 100, 220. Now I need to create a J button equal to new J button. And this is telling the user its text would be find IP. Button dot set bounds to 50, 150, 80 and 30. You can get all the source codes of our videos from the description below in the resources folder on our Udemy course. So I will add the functionality to this button. So the button dot set or add action listener, new action listener. I will pass the anonymous class, which is an interface, and inside it I will make string URL equal to text field dot get text. I'm getting the text from the text field. I will try to find the data. So inet address IA equal to inet address dot get by name. So we are getting and using this functionality in order to get the name and the address. Inet address dot get by name. I will add catch close. Okay. String IP equal to AI dot get host address. Display the result into a J option pan. So J option pan, show message dialog, this, and put the IP. The parent component would be the J frame dot get, the J frame. I need to create a J frame here. So the first thing that we need to make is creating J frame, new J frame. I will call it IP finder program. J frame dot set bounds to 100, 100, 1000 and 1000. It's good. And jframe dot set visibility to true. Okay, and I will pass here the jframe. Everything would work fine. Now let's run and see. I need to specify the jframe layout. So jframe dot, oh sorry, I didn't add anything to the jframe. Here at the end, I always miss this. Dot add label or label, jframe dot add button, and jframe dot add text field. Now let's run and see. Here we have that there is something missed. Okay, I maybe missed jframe dot set layout to new flow layout. Add the label, the button, and the text field. Okay, let me make it as grid, and I will show you why we are doing this. Now, enter the URL. Enter URL. I will make it www.google.com. Find IP, and the IP is this. So, you see, guys, this is our program. So, one thing I should mention that how the order of these components are added to JFrame are accordingly displayed to the user in the GUI. So if I put like this, jframe.add text, and run the program, it will. So how you arrange the add to the frame and the codes, the components would be arranged. If I put the text field the first, it would be displayed first in the flow layout, then the label, and then the button. So if I change any order of them, it would affect my GUI. So again, www.youtube.com, find IP, and this is the IP of the entered one. Okay, so thank you, guys. I hope you benefit from this project, and see how you would react and how you would recommend making the next videos. Thank you, guys. I'm waiting your comments and waiting your projects and source codes.